if we break this area 23,250 in the Dow, that is likely to see some real ugliness in the markets. It's likely to get bad. Even though I don't really have a point in the Russell from the Russell chart where I would get bearish, and the SPX, I could get slightly bearish, but not long term. I can be looking at the Dow here and say, we get a break of this level here, it's probably going to be very ugly at that point, and I would expect a substantial down move off of that. So definitely watching that level here. Again, I would expect the Dow, though, to basically hold, at least hold 23.5 and stay under 25.5 for the near future. And SPX, I think we talked about those levels here. And NASDAQ also, support level at 68. We've got good consolidation here, support level at 66. Got, uptrend line here, long term at 60, it's going to be 66, 67, 100. Again, you'd have to break some levels to get too bearish. Although, a breakdown here, we do have a bit of clean space, so we could come down there. But realistically, for a real breakdown of the market, I'm kind of watching the Dow. And my thoughts on all the indexes, relatively sideways movement for the near future.